Well, welcome back. And this is our outside grill and my great big huge pot on a burner. And inside are the chicken bones and turkey bones from about the last 6 months or so. When we're done eating, I put the bones in a plastic bag and they go in the freezer until I have enough to do this. Once I have the bones, I put them all in here and I throw in, this has about 1.5 onions cut into chunks, about 3 carrots, about 3 celery stalks, again cut into chunks, and I just boil it down. Here we're checking on it a little bit later. It doesn't look too much difference at this point, but this thing boiled pretty much all afternoon, probably about 6 hours or so on this burner. And I'm doing it outside because Dad doesn't like the smell of it in the house. Something about the bones in it gives it a smell he can't stand. So I've tried doing this outside and it's worked quite well, especially once we got the propane tank switched out when I ran out. So that's about it for right now. You could tell it's winter because everything's kind of looking dead. I'll give you an update on the garden next time.